sorry ass DJ.
Hello guys, welcome back to a bit of everything channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a smart neck massager. So this item that I got, I bought it from a website called Smith & Jones. Normally this portable massager, it's kind of like a headphones, it goes around your neck. And yeah, let's have a look into it. Anyways, alright. So opening the package now. As I can see, before I show you the box itself, we do have a small card that I've been given from Smith & Jones website. So you get 15% off your next order. You guys can use that code if you would like. Alright, anyways, here is the box itself. I bought two, by the way. They do come in 3 different colors, white, pink and blue. So as you can see, the box is fairly neutral, just pretty basic anyways. If you turn it around, it just has the 3 colors shown over there and just a bit of the labels on that side there. Alright, about the headphones itself, it does have 3 modes and 15 types of vibrating features for the neck. I've read a lot of the reviews about this. It's really good if you guys have sore, stiff necks for those who are working at home, or as for myself who plays games a lot, sometimes my neck is a bit stiff, so it would be good to have a massager anyways. Alright, it is pretty small and portable to carry as well, but anyways, let's have a look inside of it. So this one here I have is the blue. As you can see, as I've opened the box, it comes with a wrapper already on the neck massager itself. We have a guide over here. So instructions guide on how to use it and everything like that. Alright, so if I pull the headphones out, not the headphones, it looks like headphones, but neck massager out. It's pretty basic with the wrapper. This is what it looks like itself. So as you can see, you just put those around your neck. This will go on the back of your neck and these 2 on the side. Alright, I'll just leave that to the side and show you what else is in the box. It comes with a remote function as well. It is Bluetooth activated, so just put the remote. I think there is batteries. No batteries in this one here. So I think it is rechargeable. Yeah. So we have the cord here to recharge your devices. So these are the 3 items that come with the box itself. And yeah, here we are. Okay. So looking at the device right now, as we can see, we have a button over here. I would assume that's the on and off button, just over there on the right side. And we have our place where we can charge our device, our neck massager, just over there. Alright, can we extend this? Nope, not at all. So this item would be is primarily designed to fit around the neck. And let's see if I can turn it on. There we are. And let's see. So this device doesn't vibrate around the neck. However, it does use pulse. It uses pulse as well as heat to relax the back of your neck. So as we can see here, these two things that you see that pop out on the back of the device are called electrodes. It sends slight shocks down to your neck, as well as a bit of heat that can go up to 42 degrees Celsius to relax the muscles on your neck and allow for blood circulation down the back of your neck. This device would be great for people who work on an office or always sit in front of a computer screen, or people who don't really have time to really stretch their necks from time to time. This is a great device. Certainly beats normal hand massage around the neck, as this does the trick itself. I bought the device online from Smith & Jones from $180 down to $68, so it was a bit of a bargain. However, I think at the moment the device is now sold out on that website itself. Overall, I'd say it's a really good product, very nice design, very small and compact, and easy to use. Over here we have the remote. It's got the heating function, we've got the mode button over here, and of course the intensity. So if you want to decrease the intensity of the heat, you can go down. Of course, if you'd like it higher, go up. And yeah, it's very basic, not a lot of features to it. However, it does the job. And yes, anyways guys, this is my unboxing of the Smart Neck Massager. Hopefully you guys learned something new today, and we'll see you back in the next video of a bit of everything. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, the good thing about this device is you're able to use it anywhere. You can put it in your bag when you go to work or when you're on your break. If you're traveling, taking PT, public transport, on the bus or in the train, or if you're using a car as well. If you're in plane as well, if you're having long trips in the plane, sometimes you won't be able to move as much, so this device will help you as well. So I guess it'd be suitable for a lot of people anyways. Anyways, thank you very much guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video of a bit of everything. Thank you. Alright, one thing I should disclose to you guys is that this does use a bit of pulse technology, so you do feel a bit of shock on the back of these electrodes right here. So don't ever feel, you might feel a bit of discomfort when you're first using it, but over time you will get used to it. There are plenty of benefits to this. It does shock a bit of the back of your neck, so it does promote blood flow. One thing I'd use, if you guys are new to this, I wouldn't use it in the car, as it can cause discomfort. So better only if you're parked on the side, not driving at all. About that as well, it's recommended that you use this for at least 15 to 30 minutes a day, and try and avoid keeping it in the same spot on your skin for too long. You might just want to give it a bit of a break, maybe 10 minutes break, and then you can use it again. Alright, thank you very much guys.